Hello guys, this one is dollar. I want to show you how we are going to trade for next upcoming week, and how we analyze and how we approach the market before and after reaching a certain zone. Here it is dollar. It is dollar, the only pair which shows the direction of USD, whether USD currencies will be strong or weak. Here it is dollar. For my analysis, it is on supply zone, and the structure made, it is a downward structure, showing that the market will be selling for the upcoming week. Now look here attentive what I'm going to show you and how you can analyze this this market. Now let us go. Here we have a bearish pattern, a bearish structure, and this market for its move, it have moving with a certain leaving a gap here, and this gap have been filled yet. Now if we know that if we have filled the gap, now it will be the time for market to go to the direction that will be in opposite direction with that of the previous. What I mean here is the market was moving in upward direction, that is trending in upward trend. So the upcoming move, it will be trending vice versa with the previous move, that will be dropping down instead of going up. What make me to do such kind of decision is that the market have reached yet a supply zone, that is resistance. So if it is in resistance, and the resistance it is not only a resistance, it is a minor resistance. So what we have to decide here we have, let us me show something here. We have something here, here the structure is this one. This structure shows us that the market reached on supply zone, that it has already made M pattern, that is M pattern, that is trending in this way and this way. So what we wait here, we wait for a market to accomplish this M pattern, that maybe will be unlocked here. We lock this pattern here, that will be reaching here. So here we will wait for retest. That retest should be either inward or outward. If it will be inward, the market will show us the pullback here, that market will come up until here and will proceed with this direction, will break this neckline here, this neckline, until reaching this way here, that it is the minor zone, that is support, the support level, that trending until here, reaching here. So what will be made if the market will be hanging here? What you should wait here, you should wait for market to reach this way, this direction here, to the neckline of this pattern, which is called M pattern. So if the pullback will be made here, we should wait for the market to reach here. Here it will be the only area to make entry. What you should wait here before making an entry, you should wait for the market to show you by using candlestick formation that maybe you should see a dodge. You should see any kind of candlestick that shows you that there will be the reversal here, that is bearish reversal, and here will be a bearish flag here, around here it will be what, a bearish flag. So if it is an bearish flag, now if you decide by ending the bearish flag here, the end of bearish flag, you must see the reversal candlestick. That reversal candlestick should be the bearish reversal candlestick. So if you enter here, you have a confidence to hold until this area here, because we have two support, a major support and minor support. Major support, it is this one I have drawn here. This one, it is a major support. A minor support, it is here. So you should be very confident to hold it until this price here. So what you have to do to make an exit, we make an exit to the area of what? Of a major zone. That major zone should be either a support or resistance. If it is if you decide to make an exit on a support level, which is a major support, it is the safe area for everyone, even if you have a small capital, trading with small capital, and if you have large or maximum capital, you should hold until here. But what you should decide before making this decision, if the trade reaching here we lock, that is, we make a break even. We break even here. We break even. We secure our profit that we made from here until here. Now we break even this area. We make a break even. Even if the market will be turning back, reaching there, here, if it reach here, the market will close with a profit made from this area to this area. Remember, it is a 4 hour time frame. From here to here, it is a lot of people and a lot of people that made, and the momentum will make you making something into your pocket. So if you decide that decision will be light to you, and you will make forex business to be on a trade that will make you happy and maximize your profit every day, but vice versa will be true. So here, if you have made this one, what you should do to make entry, you should come up to the small time frame and see where to enter. And only the problem of many traders, it is the where they can make entry and where they can make exit. Sorry, here, what I mean here, many traders, they come up later and they come late to make entry, that the market have been aggressive move, and that area make they made the decision of entering to that market. This can lead you to lose a lot of money, because if the market have got an impulsive move, the one thing which is coming up, it is a pullback or consolidation move. So a pullback can make you die, can make you lose. So what you should do here, you wait for a pullback or consolidation so as you can enter into your market freely without a huge risk. You minimize your risk and then you enter, then you make money. That is. So now here we can go for 15 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours, then we see what will be going on, so as to make an entry and an exit after some move. Now look here, let me read first. Let us me until let me clear, then let me turn for here first. Let me do something. Maybe let us come on 1 hour time frame. Now look here, what is going on. Let me minimize this chart here. Now our structure is like this, one. So here we have to make a decision where to go and or where to make an exit. This trade here, we have something to do here. Let us see here. Now look here. Here we have a structure that we made from 4 hour time frame, that we have this structure here. We have our structure here. We have our structure. Now our market decided to move in this direction. If it is turning here until here, now this market will never drop. We say this is an reset. A W pattern into resistance. Some traders, they think that the market move in three impulsive move and 3 consolidation move. That is not true, my friend. The only thing which is true here, the market decide to move whether in 3 move, that is impulsive move, 3 impulsive move, and 3 consolidation or pullback for a certain move. But if it conclude that 3 move, we have to wait whether the setup which is going to be formed, whether it is a reset. The reset implies that the market start to recount a new recount of 3 impassive move going in the previous direction. Here, if it will be if the pattern will be like this, the market will still be going upward instead of going downward. So we have to ignore our previous mind that this pair will be going this way here, if only if the market will be ending on making this structure that it was a W in the resistance area here. Only if the market reaches here, people are sometimes blind in market. So if the market reaches here, people they start seeing that it is a double top here, my friend. You will be killed here. It is this support, this double top, my friend. It is very weak, because here the only structure that reading the market to be traded here, it is this one. So if you see here, it is a support, but the structure that guides the market to move is very near with that support. That support will be broken. So you should continue trading this market by looking the upward move. But what you should be considering before entering, you should not enter in impassive move. That is a huge and very essential point. You should wait for retest or pullback so as to make an entry. Here, this is will remain to be a neckline for this trade here. This will be a neckline for this W. If the market reaching here, we see that the market will make a retro pullback here. Then it will be going this direction here. So here it will be the only way to make an entry here. You should make an entry here so as to go in this way, my friend. If you follow these rules of entry, and you follow these rules of trading, and you follow these rules of making a technical analysis, my friend, you will never lose in the forex business. Only thing you should make sure you do, you have to increase your own eye. So what I mean here, you have to increase your own thing, that your eye should make this and this. If you will be taught from everywhere you go, you will get even a teacher from maybe South Africa, maybe London, Europe, whatever. But the only principle of trade, you have to make sure you have your own crucial thing to make sure that the trade, if I do this and this, I make money. This is clear, my friend. This is what I'm telling you today. So let us see. If you have do this one, now let us proceed with what I was talking before. So instead of doing this one, let us make clear, so as I want to show something other one which you should consider to this pattern on in this zone. Let us make clear first. Now this market is like we see. If the structure will be like this, and we will be like this one, and here will be like this one. This remain to be our neckline here. may be our neckline here. The market will be reaching here. Now, you should ask yourself, where can I enter on this market? The market have two possibilities: making inward retest or making outward what? Retest. Inward retest is made from where the market is come from, and outward retest is made after the breakout of the neckline. Look here, my friend. Here we have a neckline here. We have a neckline. So our inward test, it is this market will be retested here. If it is retested here, it is you should notice that there is a bearish candlestick around this area, around here. So if you see a bearish candlestick here, remain to be a bearish flag around the resistance zone. Here we bearish this market. We consider that bearish candlestick here, that the market will be having a huge move, a great move, that we will break this neckline. Here the market will be going this direction, here. Now, what to consider if the market will be doing a outer retest after the breakout of neckline? Here is what to do. Let me clear this here. Now here it is a neckline. Here our pattern, it is like this one here. It is like this one here. Now the retest, instead of doing here, going upward here, the market will be going here, and if reaches some point here, this is our neckline, the market turn back to the neckline here and make a bearish flag here. Then the market will be continue with its move until this point here. Here it is a major support here, that you may make an exit here after some pips here. Now you understand what I'm saying and what I'm talking here. I think you understand now. Then what you should do here? What you should do? You calculate something. We say it is R. We say R ratio R. What is R ratio R? We say we calculate risk reward ratio. We say R ratio R, risk reward ratio. Here, risk is where you make a stop loss. Risk is where you put stop loss. Here, a stop loss will be made in this way. Here will be around this. But if you have a great capital, you can make a stop loss be around this area. But what we consider, a stop loss will be in minimal pips compared to reward. Stop loss, if you have made maybe 10 pips, 10 pips should be in the reward, should be even 30 pips. 30 pips will be 10 ratio what? Ratio 30. That is 1 ratio 3. 1 ratio 3. Ratio 3. 1 ratio 3. That is 1 implies that is risk, and 3 implies that reward. So risk should be smaller compared to what? To a reward. So here, if you have made a decision to enter here, the stop loss should be around this area here, around this area, because we have a neckline here. The market, if reaches here and turning here, it will be no longer going downward. The market here will be having two structure. This is structure, that is pattern, this pattern, and this pattern here, this pattern here. So this pattern will be the one which will be showing for that time a previous the market where to go, and this and not this one. The only thing you should know here is that we have two pattern for at once. The previous pattern and the existing what? Pattern. The existing pattern will be no longer used until the market reaches to that previous level. Now the pattern which is reading the market the way where to go, it is the new pattern here, that the market will be going here. So we will be going there. So here, what to consider? If you have a break even here and the market have been made the decision to go back to where you have made an entry, this market should what? Should be closed manually with what? With stop loss. So here you prevent a huge risk. You will be having on your hand a risk which you have an ability to handle. Now, risk. On risk reward ratio, you will see the market that you have put here ATP, take a profit. Here you have ATP, take a profit. Now, what you should decide here, you make something which is very crucial. The market, if reaching a certain point here, you have to look yourself that the market is approaching to your what? To your take a profit. So people are raised sometimes. They want to verify, to justify something which is very risky. The market is reaching here a point and it is around the take profit. You come up and watching here that you see the market is around here. You leave it instead of closing. You decide to leave it that my trade will reach TP. My friend, don't be crazy. Don't be stupid. You have to close manually. This is money, my friend. This is money. So if you reach that point, you have to go manually, close your trade, make your profit, go withdraw, do your thing. So here, now here, I think today will be enough for today. Maybe I will proceed for upcoming days. I will show you more things to do on this forex business. People are still saying that this is gambling, this is whatever, but they are stupid. They don't know what they are doing in this market. They trade with people are only you have an idea, but what to do with that idea? Nothing. So you trade and you have a lot of words that this is gambling, this is what and whatever you say, but this is a trade, my friend. This is a business. You have to do whatever, even if it is gambling. There are a lot of people that are rich because of that gambling. So don't be stupid. Don't make something that is which will make you poor until you die, my friend, you will be having a family, you will be having relatives that will depend on you. You have to do something. Let us reach here. I'm FBI. Please subscribe for more notification. Like, comment, and share to your friend, so as we will be much many as possible on this YouTube channel. Thank you for listening, and goodbye. God bless you. Have a great trading week on the upcoming week. Now it is 6 date 6 or 6/6/21. That is, I'm over. Thank you.